Request.
What?
Request.
What? I already got it.
Bye.
Okay, go back.
Are you level 5 now?
I am level 2. I'm going to buy something at the shop. I'm going to buy something, some new vehicles. Where is it? Wait. Where is it?
Grande.
Where are you?
I'm getting my vehicle.
Where are you?
I'm just getting my vehicle, bro. Bro, I'm just getting my vehicle. I am just getting my vehicle. I'm just getting my vehicle. Hey. Okay. Hey, look at my vehicle. La 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 la.
Where are you?
La 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 la
I don't see you.
la 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 la.
Oh, that's you.
La 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 la.
Where are you?
Oh, we're in the different server. Oh,
Meet me in the... Meet me in the...
That's so slave. Slave. I'm so slave. Hey, I'm gonna beat you. Mwahaha. Ram.
Where are you?
Ram.
On the middle.
Are you in the race? Ram. 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 Ram.
Hey, why are you shouting? I'm gonna meet you in the finish line.
I am Gopali. Hey.
Where are you? Where are you? Just stay lang, just stay. I can't see you. Oh, there you are. Hi.
Chong, 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 chong.
You need to level 5. You need to be level 5.
Come on, Kuya. I'm inside of the arcade. Let's see if I can play it.
Wait me.
Okay. Do you got a vehicle?
Look. Come on.
You're level 7. I am level 3 because I'm a new player. Oh, I don't have a vehicle, so it's offline. Wait, let me get
Let's go
some.
here in
I'm
Crazy
going.
Run. In Crazy Run.
Wait, I'm going
Let's go
to
to
play
Crazy
Flockon.
Run.
I'm
Crazy
just
Run.
playing
Crazy Run.
Flockon.
Crazy Run.
Okay, fine. I don't have an armor, but okay. I need. I want to log out again.
Ikaw.
I want to log out again.
Ba't magta-logout na naman ikaw?
Uy, maglalagaw ka na naman kaya nawawala yung...
Wala na ano na siya, nawala na ano niya eh. Nawala na siya ng gana maglaro.
Wala ko.
Sinamahan na nga kita oh.
Pati ang logout ka na ang logout. Kaya nawawala yung account mo na dyan.
Wala na siya ng gana maglaro eh.
Wala ako armor. Okay.
Magkakaroon ka din naman, baby, dyan. Play ka lang ng play. Di ba sabi mo nga dati, play lang ng play? Potato.
Wait for me.
Oh? How do you know where is it?
Dali, eat potato. Oh, eat potato.
Don't use your cheeks,
Ah.
okay?
Very good.
Right. Nito.
Ano mo, kakain ka din? Alam mo Kasim?
Don't
Or
cheat.
Kasim? Ah,
I'm gonna wait for you.
Okay.
sa ano? Alpha. Ano?
Why?
I'm here.
Wait.
Alphamart kami bibigyan na ng kami.
I don't know where I'm going.
Look, just look here. May ano.
Ayaw na rin namin ang
Go here,
bibili.
go here.
Potato.
Can you see the exit?
Saka masyadong maanta.
Nope.
Upo dito sa iyo. Upo, napapagod dito.
Nope. Nope.
What's this one?
Alright, you win. And the second. Look, you're number 1.
What?
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Kain ng kain, Winter.
I follow you now.
I don't go.
Come on.
Bibing nguya ng nguya.
So no one will What is going
Ngayon mo pagkain, hindi yung ganyan. Kasi nakakarami na nasubo. Ikaw, kumain ka na kumain din.
Let's play.
I'm gonna give you this.
Let's play platform. Attack.
Kumain. Hindi, papakita ko sa'yo yung ano.
Ayaw.
Just wait lang, just wait. You need to stay put. Stay put na ikaw, huwag mo galag. Huwag mo nagalagin. Ibigay ko nga sa yung pet mo eh. Just wait lang. Ay, still can't pa. Ito yung pet niya na binigyan niya sa akin mo. Sa dati niya account. Yung pwede nang ma-ride. Yung ngayon yun, hindi pwede pa ma-ride eh. Pwede pang ano. Ayan oh.
Potato. Potato na lang. Potato na lang.
Buti binigay mo to sa akin. I can give it to you back. This your pet. Ayun yung pet na ngayon oh. Ang liit.
Okay, bago pa lang.
Ito yung mga pet niya dati. Binigay niya sa akin. Ang dami niyang pet nun eh. Maganda pa.
Siyempre, mataas na yung mga level na yun.
You need to be level 5 first.
Hindi pala naka-email na sa, wala palang email yun. Kaya laro ka na laro, hindi pala naka sa
You
email.
need to be level 5 first. Come on, I can give you this back to your pet. What you do to get one passion item? You need to give your pet up.
Because I will give you money.
Iba muna ng ano ng
Baby, sa
anything.
bibig mo, busin.
So expensive.
I want this.
Alright, go.
And then
Just one now, just only one. And now you got it. See? More. More, just
I
wait.
don't need my pet.
Bibigay mo rin sa akin yan eh. Ito na nga yung pet mo oh. Huwag mo nang i-ano kasi bibigay mo naman din sa akin yan eh.
Wait lang. Wait, pet.
Wala pa eh. Level 5. Level 2 na pa lang eh. Kailangan mag-level 5.
Bakit mo?
3 passion item pa. Or what else pa?
I'm still broke.
Hold on to it. Ito yung from daily quest. 15 pieces of currency. I'm gonna give you one life in your home.
Hindi kayo ng kain.
But this
I'm gonna like your home.
like